who doesn't respect woman, you will die early. As long as Sarah was not ready to give birth, Abraham was useless. The Bible says that you must try and live in peace with your wife so that your prayers should not be hindered. In other words, if you have issue with your wife, your prayer will not go to heaven. So before you pray, you must kiss your wife. Now, the connection, if your wife is not agreeing, go and pray well. But when your wife agrees, the prayer is fast tracked. Am I teaching somebody here? Because let me tell you this, every woman is a gatekeeper. Let me tell you this, without a woman, nobody has permission to come on earth. So read the Bible. Most people became wealthy. They became wealthy through women. Abraham's first wealth transfer came because he said his wife was his sister, and they paid dowry to him when he was already the husband. And when the man was about to sleep with the wife, God went and warned him. If you don't know and you touch this man's wife, abomination will come on all of you. And the king was going to curse Abraham. He said, Abraham, you stand here, it is for you. See that story building here, it's for you. He doesn't want any trouble. So the first wealth transfer, it came because of a woman in a man's life. I'm talking to you about character. Fair bless. Hello? I can give you so many, but let me give you an example. When Israel was coming out of Egypt, God didn't ask the men to go and ask for jewelry. God asked the women, go to the people and ask them for jewels and gold, and then leave. Hello? Oh, hello? It took Esther from Mordecai to become a prime minister. It took, I don't know if you know that Joseph became a prime minister. But let me tell you, without his wife that he married, he would not have been a citizen of that country to become a prime minister. So he becoming wealthy was based on the woman that he got married to. Now everybody hear me. If you might hear me, any man who doesn't respect woman, you will die early. I can give an example, but not today. As long as Sarah was not ready to give birth, Abraham was useless. As long as Sarah was not ready for Abraham, Abraham's ministry of giving birth, all the prophecy about giving birth to the promised child, compare Ishmael bra Enfa. So Hebrews 11:11 said, by faith Sarah herself received strength to conceive. Yakasa asked the man, Mama, you too know. Am I preaching here? Or am I preaching here? And they will do this. If you look at the Bible, there's something called wailing woman. Wailing woman. When nations get into crisis, when men pray, it doesn't solve problems. It's only women. When women cry, it gets to God faster than men. If you are married, if you like, try this experiment. Give all your prayer topics to your wife for your wife to pray and see what will happen. But, oh yeah, no, I'm an offering, so I can. Am I teaching here? Say, you give seed to pastor. Say, sweetheart, take this thing. Yeah, do fasting and prayer for me. When you finish, millionaire.